Hi, my name is Ria. My village name is Rangapur. I love my grandfather Balaram. We have a poultry farm, and my grandfather always said, chickens are like family. Take care of them, and they'll take care of you. But that morning, something changed. My grandpa found some chickens weak and unhealthy. We rushed to doctor. After examining the birds, he said, "It's bird flu. If we don't act fast, it will spread." The government officials arrived in white suits, sealing off farms, culling birds, and banning poultry sales. Life of families that relied on chickens for food and income become horrible. But amidst the sorrow, one doubt spread. Why had Ramesh, the richest poultry trader in town, escaped the outbreak untouched? I determined to solve this mystery. That night, I secretly went to Ramesh farm. What I found made me shocked. Stacks of hidden vaccine bottles. His birds had been protected before the outbreak. Everything he did is for money. I was angry and started arguing with Ramesh, but he misbehaved with me. I was determined. Standing in the middle of crowd, I informed the truth, holding up a vaccine bottle as evidence. The corrupt poultry trader, Ramesh, is caught, looking nervous as villagers surround him. The police inform, manipulating crisis for profit is serious offense. After this disaster, we learn about biosecurity and advanced poultry conditions. It was the start of something better. In times of crisis, like bird flu, greed may rise to earn money, but those who stand for truth and unity will always rebuild stronger.